Meaning of summons case and warrant case. Under the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, 2023. A. Summons case. A summons case is a case relating to an offence which is not punishable with death, life imprisonment, or imprisonment exceeding 2 years. These are less serious offences. Examples: simple hurt, minor theft, public nuisance. B. Warrant case. A warrant case is a case relating to an offence punishable with death, life imprisonment, or imprisonment exceeding 2 years. These are serious offences. Examples: murder, robbery, rape. 2. Procedure for trial of summons case. The procedure is simple and speedy. 1. Issue of summons. The magistrate issues summons to the accused to appear before the court. 2. Explanation of offence. The magistrate explains the particulars of the offence to the accused. No formal charge is framed. 3. Plea of accused. The accused is asked whether he pleads guilty. Times if guilty, conviction may follow. Times if not, trial proceeds. 4. Evidence of prosecution. The prosecution presents its evidence and witnesses. 5. Examination of accused. The accused is examined and given an opportunity to explain. 6. Defense evidence, if any. The accused may present defense evidence. 7. Judgment. The magistrate gives judgment, conviction or acquittal. 3. Procedure for trial of warrant case. The procedure is more detailed due to seriousness. A. In case instituted on police report. 1. Supply of documents. Copies of police report and documents are given to the accused. 2. Framing of charge. The magistrate frames a formal written charge. 3. Plea of accused. Accused is asked to plead guilty or not. 4. Prosecution evidence. Witnesses are examined and cross-examined. 5. Statement of accused. Accused is examined by the court. 6. Defense evidence. Accused may produce evidence. 7. Judgment. Court decides the case. B. In case instituted otherwise than on police report, complaint case. B. In case instituted otherwise than on police report, complaint case. 1. Evidence before charge. Prosecution evidence is recorded first. 2. Framing of charge. If sufficient ground exists, charge is framed. 3. Further steps. Then similar steps as above follow. 4. Difference between summons case and warrant case. Basis: summons case, warrant case. Nature of offence: less serious. Punishment: up to 2 years, more than 2 years, life, death. Charge: no formal charge required. Procedure: simple and speedy, detailed and lengthy. Evidence: before charge not required in complaint cases. Conversion: can be converted into warrant case, in some cases cannot be converted into summons case. 5. Conclusion. Summons cases are minor and follow a simplified procedure, while warrant cases involve serious offences and require a detailed trial process. The distinction ensures that justice is delivered efficiently according to the gravity of the offence.